If I'm terrible at early mornings, will I survive this course? I ask myself that every Sunday night. Yes. At least on our education program. I feel like, for one thing, we recognize the lives of students. And so while the university may organize a workshop or a lecture or a seminar or some kind of teaching session at 9 o'clock in the morning, you're not going to come into a room with someone who's completely dispassionate about you and your experience. And the thing is we recognize our students as human beings, as individuals who have needs, and we do what we can to make our sessions meaningful and entertaining, useful. I could list all these different adjectives, but ultimately I think that irrespective of whether you're an early riser, a late night gamer or whatever, when you come into the teaching sessions with us, you're not just a faceless body in a room, you're a person that we have relationships with, and we understand the difficulties that come with attending university. And a lot of you are not only attending university, but you're working, you're caring for folks, you're doing lots of different things, and we recognize that. So we try to make your experiences with us as meaningful, as useful, as positive, and supportive as possible.